Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa, and today in this video I'm going to share with you 6 different ways how you can earn money online from home. And let's start with my first idea. Idea number 1 is actually graphic design and being able to create logos and branding. It's been very popular for lots of years, but in 2020 it became more on demand, I would say, because lots of people, they move to online platforms, and here come also for number 1, I would say it's web design as well. People need to create their own logos and come up with the branding for their products, both physical products and digital products as well. People who can draw and do illustrations are also very popular on the demand right now. If you have the skills using Adobe Illustrator, InDesign, Photoshop, and all other skills in drawing and graphic design, it will be a great opportunity to take right now and work as a freelancer. You can find all your clients online. You can actually go and write to your clients directly on Instagram, on Facebook, send their emails, or use different platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr in order to find the potential clients. Number 2 is e-commerce. Again, we come up to our situation in 2020 and we can see a huge boom in e-commerce space, especially dropshipping, private labeling, and etc. You can create your store using Shopify. You can sell your handmade products, for example, on Etsy. You can sell your products on Amazon. There are lots of options available right now where you can start and where you can actually sell your products. It can be a physical product, again, it can be a digital product, but remember that e-commerce, it's not that easy as many people might think. It actually requires lots of time, dedication, and hard work. It might look easy at the beginning as like easy money, but it also requires certain things to know, and you have to be very concentrated on the work you do and dedicate your time to your e-commerce journey. Number 3, and that's definitely not the easiest way how you can make money online, how you can earn money online, because with my idea in way number 3, you can actually gain and get lots of money, and at the same time you can lose lots of money. Probably some of you have already guessed what it is. It's trading and investing. If you want to get and earn money online on trading, you have to know the market, you have to analyze the market, you need to do lots of research, you need to study the subject, you need to study the company you want to invest in, the company you want to trade. So it's actually a lot of work. You need to practice charting and test different knowledge of patterns, and be ready at the beginning even to lose money, go to negative balance, or not to earn anything at all, or later on to get the money to the point where you want to be. But be ready that it's not going to be straight from the beginning that you're going to earn lots of money. So patience is very important here. So my 4th idea, I would say, it's actually, I decided to call it as work with the texts. It includes copywriting and writing different captions, Instagram captions, Facebook captions, write captions for different ad creatives as well. You can also write different blog posts, not just for yourself, but you can get paid for this. Plus, you can also work with the text in terms of that you can do translations of those texts. You can also sign up for the Upwork. You can create an account there, especially if you know different languages. You can, for example, translate a text from English to Russian and get like $20 per 200 or 300 words you translate. So you can consider that if you like to write. It's not about me. I personally don't like doing that. But if you like it and you're good in it, why don't give it a try, right? Idea number 5, and I decided to call it, is to create and manage the content-based YouTube channels or Instagram page. What I mean by that, I think you probably have seen there are lots of pages on Instagram or on YouTube, motivational YouTube channel, or on Instagram there are lots of funny and meme pages, or like trading and investment Instagram pages. You just go and the whole page, it's about investing and trading, different memes, different articles and everything. So people who manage those types of public channels, those content-based channels and pages, they can actually earn pretty good money from selling the advertisement, doing the sponsorship, collaborations. And if we talk about YouTube, it's of course get paid for your videos, right? For the AdSense, again, from when you get money from your ad campaigns, built in ads in your video clip. So it's been very successful, and I personally know lots of people who do this and who can manage, I don't know, up to 5 different YouTube channels at the same time, and they earn in total about $20,000 or $30,000 per month, but they don't produce the content by themselves. They don't go somewhere and they don't record those videos. They don't record themselves talking. They just go and find probably some of the viral videos, for example, or they cut different interviews and they use them and they upload to their channels and they generate the views. People like to check and people like to see those channels, for example, like science channels and all other things. And it's been very successful if you have time and you have editing skills. You don't actually need to be professional in this. You just need to be able to write captions, for example, and know how to cut it properly and being able to find the unique content which can go viral. Let's move to my last idea, how you can earn money online. You can work with different bloggers and influencers as their managers or personal assistant. As the number of bloggers and influencers is growing significantly every year, even every week and every month, there is a high demand on people who can help them to manage their profiles, who can help them and find different platforms where they can advertise their products, or where they can generate and get more money, or where they can find the sponsorship. Lots of bloggers, they can do this by themselves. They cannot do everything by themselves, especially when they have lots of followers. The assistant or manager can also help to respond to different direct messages. For example, if we talk about Instagram, it's been very popular for Instagram. Now it's became even more popular for the TikTok, for example, and for YouTube it started being popular as well recently, having a personal assistant, a manager who can help you to do everything, who can actually upload the videos for you, who can write captions for you, and come up with the text and help you to promote your video. And you don't actually need to have lots of skills for this. It's just very important that you know how social media works. You stay up to trend, what's upcoming trend, especially if we talk about TikTok, right? You need to be able to analyze the market on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, what to post, how often to post, analyze and come up with a marketing strategy as well. You can work from home. I personally have my assistant who even lives in a different country, and we've been working together for a year and a half. It doesn't matter if we're not in the same location. You can take a client, you can find bloggers anywhere in any country you want. Just be able to present yourself, say how you can help this blogger, influencer, how you can bring more sales, how you can find the sponsorships, how you can find different brands to collaborate and work with. So you need to be very enthusiastic, and you need to be very active, and you need to be so organized as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and let me know which one of those 6 ways do you like the most, which one of those 6 ways maybe you have tried before and maybe you do it right now. You can share your thoughts and ideas, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this in the future. And thanks again for watching, and have a wonderful day.